Whenever I make breakfast like this, everyone asks for the recipe. I'm going to start by adding 10 grams of active dry yeast into a large bowl, followed by 1 cup of warm water, and mix. I'll cover it with plastic wrap and let it rest for 10 minutes. After this time, I'll add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/2 cup of oil, 2½ cups of wheat flour, and mix everything well. This is the perfect consistency. I'll cover the bowl again and let the dough rise for 1 hour. In a pan, I'll add oil and 200 grams of butter, stirring until it melts completely. Now, I'll transfer the melted butter to a large bowl, then add the prepared dough and mix well until it becomes smooth and homogeneous. I'll cover the bowl with plastic wrap and let the dough rise for another 30 minutes. After this time, I'll place the dough on the table, roll it out. Tell me, what's your favorite breakfast recipe? I'd love to know. Add 100 grams of shredded cheddar cheese and mix well to incorporate it. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching from so I can send you a big shout out. Today's shout out goes to Emily Carter from New York. I'm happy that you're enjoying our recipes. I'll separate a quarter of the dough, roll it out to a medium thickness, not too thin, not too thick. Then I'll cut it into thin strips. Once you make this recipe for breakfast, you won't want to make anything else. It turns out absolutely amazing. I'll place the remaining dough into a baking bag, arrange the strips on top, and seal the bag. I'll bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. This bread turns out super soft, fluffy, and delicious.